Good evening from Manali, Himachal Pradesh, India. Tonight, I'm going from my hotel down to get some dinner on Mall Road. This is that sketchy ass bridge. This time it's horses in the road. They're prettier than cows, if you ask me. There's some wild ganja. What should I get to eat? Had chow mein for brunch. Had rice last night for dinner. I haven't had pizza in a couple days. Maybe I'll get a snack. And then, I don't know. We'll see. I don't know what I want to eat. This market's pretty good. The farther north you go, I've noticed the better the fake gear gets. You can get real stuff here, but it's going to cost you a pretty penny. Would you rock that Lion backpack? I think they were tricked into purchasing that, thinking someone's going to buy it, but it's going to be there for 40 years. How is this? Have you had?
Special kheer. Special kheer.
Bong?
Rice wala. No bong.
Okay.
Milkshake.
It's like rice.
Like lassi with rice.
Lassi with rice. Which is better?
Sweet milk with rice.
This best? This best? Sweet lassi best? Okay.
Best.
Okay. I will try sweet lassi. I have not tried before. Man. Egg sweet lassi, please.
Sweet lassi, okay.
Yes. Thank you very much. Okay. I will try. Thank you, sir. Oh, Tanda. Kitna?
80 rupees, sir.
80 rupees. Okay. You like that one? Okay. Let's give it a go. Damn. That's really good. I've been missing out. I've been in India for a month and a half and haven't had lassi yet. What have I been waiting for? Who knows? Costs $1. It's like a thick milkshake. It's made with cow milk, yes? It's made with cow milk, yes? Gai doodh. Yeah, gai doodh. No.
Yes.
Yes, gai doodh. Buffalo. Buffalo milk. Okay. Not cow, buffalo. Okay. Well, apparently buffaloes make a pretty damn good milkshake. Thanks, fellas. Bye-bye.
अरे हाथ बिल्टावर नहीं कितने का है ये
It's a 10 out of 10. Also comes in a clay pot, which is cool. Let's go find something else. Thank you, sir. It was very good. Okay, ice creams. I can't have 2 desserts before dinner. $200 is just under $3. Let's see. Small. More hippie pants here. If you come to India, will you wear the hippie pants? Hello, how are you?
Yes, man.
Just looking for now, but it is possible. Quechua. Yeah, all Quechua, yes?
Yes, this.
Okay. I prefer zip-off ones. Yeah, 1,000 rupees. Okay, not bad. These ones 1,200. Okay.
Also, you can like a captain.
Yes, zip-off.
Yeah,
Yes,
zip-off.
convertible. Convertible cargo pants.
If you want, we'll give you this.
For this one, I have poncho, so maybe next time, Phyllis. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. But you have good things.
Okay, man.
Thank you. Yes, sir. They have good stuff, guys. I have to be very picky what I buy. My bag is very small. People keep saying, "Oh my God, that's all you have for 6 months?" I say, "Yes. I don't want more. I don't need more." I think that if I can find North Face clones or knockoff convertible cargo pants, I'll probably go for those if they have them, because they'll have a better cut and they'll be made of a better material. Like these pants, they're warm. They're good if it's really cold out, but I'm not gonna be in the cold forever up here. I'm gonna be back down in the plains in like a month or so, and then I'll be in the same situation where I have to get rid of something that's still good or have too much to carry, and I don't really want to do that. Oh, check this building out. It's this temple. Sorry. The craftsmanship is world class. How's that? Okay, that should be enough. It looks great. Okay, I think these are all clothes and gear. So if you want to load up on trekking gear, you can definitely do that here also. I'm not planning on doing any trekking because I just have I have the wrong stuff for it, and I don't want to have double stuff. But there's great trekking around here. Also, the rains are coming, so no thank you, sir. It'd be very risky to be trekking in the monsoon.
Yeah, shawls, gold siding.
Mountain View noodles. I ate there earlier. It was okay. Hello, sir. You are vlogging also?
Yes.
The vloggers are out. It was okay, but I run into this consistent issue, and this is my most frustrating thing that I run into consistently in India, is that restaurants are cooking too many things. They don't know what kind of food they want to cook. So look, you have sushi, sizzler, tempura, sukiyaki, momo, tukpa. Well, okay. Maybe that one's not that bad, actually. It's mostly Japanese. I actually might go in there and eat. That sounds like a good idea. The tables look full, so I'll go check out their menu in just a minute. Let me look around a little bit more. Let me go look around a little bit more and then I'll decide, okay? These girls have been hustling me for rupees all day. And little boy. This is going to be a boring vlog if I don't find something to eat. So I'm not really buying anything. Keep seeing me in markets not buying things. Hello, sir. No, thank you, sir. I have maybe past glasses by
You like this?
Okay, I will see. I will see your glasses. Let me see.
Very nice glass, fast try goggle. Very nice glass. Very nice glass. You will your glasses.
Let me see your Ray-Ban. May they go those ones. These ones look better. Here, take these ones. Let me see.
This one black, this one brown, one color.
Okay, let's see.
This one green glass. This one
They're okay.
this spring cream. Very nice.
I don't know.
Good quality.
Here, take these ones.
Your glasses.
They're okay.
Spring cream.
Kitna.
ये 1500 only पड़ेगा.
नहीं, ये नकली भाया.
नकली नहीं है.
Nukli है.
नकली नहीं है, first copy है.
Yeah, nukli. That's what nukli
No, no.
means.
This one first copy.
I said it's fake.
7,000.
He says no, it's first copy.
First copy. Oji 6,000, 5,000, 10,000.
नहीं. नकली 6,000.
नकली नहीं है. ये लेने जाएगा वो शॉप के अंदर ले जाएगा. No my shop.
नहीं भाया. Too much.
How much you tell me price?
Too
You
much
tell me.
money.
You tell me.
Maybe 200 max.
Yeah.
200 max.
200.
Maximum last
This one
price.
cost.
Yeah.
How much
That
will be
is
final price? You tell me final price.
That
This
is
one
final
glasses.
price.
This one glasses. This
Yeah,
one glass.
I understand,
No
but
fiber. This one glasses.
it's okay. I do not need anyway. I have glasses, my friend.
How much tell me final price?
200 is my final price. So that's
1,300.
nah.
You tell me final.
200. Also, last
200
price.
का नहीं है.
Yeah. So we can't come to a deal, my friend. That's okay.
1,000 rupees.
No.
You tell me.
Not
You tell
okay.
me final price.
200.
Okay, 500.
Nah.
300 okay, take it. 300 okay.
Nah.
This
So,
one?
no, thank you, sir. It's okay.
Take it. Okay, take it.
200. 200. Okay, I will do 200.
Okay.
Let me see. Now, brown ones, 200. Okay. They're together. Okay. I will buy them. Yes, $10. Okay. Let's see. No, thank you, sir. I already had today. All right. That's how you bargain, guys. Okay. 200. Thank you, bro. Bye-bye. So, you want to learn how to get a good price? You gotta walk away. Anyway, these guys are gonna offer you a price that's way, way too high. I told him nakli, which means fake. He says, no, it's not fake. Well, he says first copy. Nahi chahiye bhaiya. Mere paas aaj already, okay? He says, no, it's not fake, it's first copy. Well, first copy means a good copy, but it's a copy, so it's branded fake. They are real glasses, but they're not real Ray-Bans. So they're okay. Honestly, I don't even think they look that great, so I might just give them away to somebody. I don't really need them. Also, the box is chintzy. It's more plastic the world doesn't need, and it's really big, so who knows? Okay, let's go get some food, yeah? Yes, DJI. Yes. Yes, it's a gimbal. DJI. You know drones?
Okay.
Yes, handheld camera.
And you can connect your drone also to this?
No. You connect your phone to this. You connect your phone to this.
Okay, so camera is separate. You connect your phone to this.
You can if you want, yes, but you need an attachment. So it's like, I don't know. But I personally wouldn't recommend this camera because they stopped supporting it. They released it, and then 4 months later they stopped doing updates. So if I was you, I wouldn't buy this DJI. I would buy Insta360 or GoPro for something simple. Also, this is fragile. If I drop this one time, it's done.
Okay.
If you drop a GoPro and then kick it across the football field, it'll be fine, right?
Understood.
Insta360 with a little lens cap, it will be more durable than this. They're also fragile, but you get 360 footage. Okay. So, and they're similar price, so more or less same price. Yeah. Yeah. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man.
Yes, of course. Nice to meet you. Bye bye. Yeah, DJI. Upgrade your stuff.
Thank you.
Sir, your menu is gargantuan.
Yeah.
You have too many.
This is a Tibetan food.
Yes.
Chabale, Tenduk.
I see. What is your very best thing? Your very best item. What does your cook make the best?
No, you need a big quantity and small quantity.
Small, one person.
One person. These tenduks are very good. It's a tendu just steak, no?
Tendu, soup.
It's soup and
Soup.
fried noodles.
Soup and fried noodles.
Flat noodles.
Flat noodles.
Yeah.
Okay.
And momo. So it's momos are common. So yeah, tendu. It's really good.
Okay. Tendu. How about your spring rolls?
Spring rolls. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So not a fan of the spring rolls.
This shabale. This is tukpa. This is momo.
You have
Spring rolls.
you have real tukpa.
Yeah, real tukpa. Tendu is very good.
I like tukpa, but I might try
This is tendu, you know.
tendu.
Yeah.
Okay, chicken.
Chicken.
I will try tendu. Okay. You have table? Okay.
In the last in the corner.
In the corner. Okay, I will take the corner. That's where I'll go anyway.
Tendu chicken.
Yes, sir. Chicken. Okay. All right. Guys, I have discovered that even the microfiber cloth is fake. It's not microfiber. It's like, I don't know, but it ain't microfiber. Yeah, knuckly. I have ordered from the man up front. I will also take one Kingfisher Strong, the big one. Okay? That beer will be probably 3 times the cost of my meal. But, hey, I'm on vacation. Thanks, bro. Okay, my chicken tintu is a wrap. Let me fill up my beer and I'll give it a shot. It's thick. Damn. Right. is 200 rupees. So same price as those fake ass sunglasses. So the soup is 180 rupees and the beer is 250 rupees. So beer is cheaper than I thought. But I knew it was going to be more expensive than the soup. Thank you for the recommendation, sir. I appreciate it. It was very good.
Enjoyed it?
Yes, it was good. I might be back tomorrow.
Oh,
It was good. Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. All right, guys. Chopsticks Restaurant. 10 out of 10. Recommend. Definitely go there. I'm going to go this way and hide away in the alleyway for a second, and then I'll come. It's a happy accident, just like you were. It wouldn't be a proper vlog if I didn't show you the washroom, so I'm gonna go take a leak, and if you want, you can watch. Oh, okay. When walking through traffic, you gotta dodge, duck, dip, dive, and dodge. It's the 5 Ds. The restroom is this way. Chillo. The lightsaber man. The dogs up here, much prettier than the dogs down south. I'm gonna give that restroom 4 out of 5 stars. It's pretty clean. Doesn't stink very bad. They're cleaning as I walked in. So the plumbing is good. So the piss actually goes out of the urinal rather than a river through the bathroom. Shout out Himachal Pradesh. I'm gonna show you how to not get scammed at an ATM machine, okay? This is very important. Put your card in. Always yank on these. Check to make sure they're not fake. These too. Check to make sure they're not fake. Because people will put skimmers on top of here for your PIN and skimmers here for your card information. Okay. Punch in your code. And then you do not select fast cash. Select withdrawal. Select current. And then you pick your amount. I'm getting 10,000. I always withdraw max because I'm being charged a fee for withdrawal, so I might as well. Enter amount, cash available. Cash available, 500 rupees. Let's see. Normally it asks you accept conversion rate or decline. Okay, here we go. Without conversion, with conversion. You select without conversion. If you select with conversion, you're gonna get screwed, okay? So just accept. This is basically how you do it all over the world. And then without conversion, it's gonna ask you again. It's gonna try to trick you, okay? Basically every single time. I personally like the SBI ATMs because they don't charge me an extra fee to withdraw money. Some of them will charge you like 200 rupees and such. Let's see. Transaction canceled. I'm going to get money from this ATM. I'm going to find another ATM to get money. But either way, that's how you do it. Don't get scammed at the ATM machine, okay? Everything is designed to trick you, especially with banks. Everybody knows every bank in the world is run by crooks. That's the same in America, India, Prague, Japan, everywhere. Okay, thank you. It didn't give me money. Sometimes you get denied and you just find a different ATM, or you try a different card if you have one available to you. I do, but I prefer to use this card instead of the other one because my bank also charges me an additional fee on top of all the other stuff. So I save myself $2 by using my MasterCard rather than my Visa. I'm pretty stuffed, but I do kind of want one more lassi. That soup was huge, and the beer was huge, and I can't have a lot of food. I would love to do like street food videos where I go and try 5, 10, 15, 20 different things. But what I'd be doing is I'd be buying food, I'd be taking one bite, I'd be throwing the rest in the trash, and then I'd feel really bad about it, wasting food. It'd be cool, but I can't eat 10 meals in an hour or 5 meals. I just eat one thing and then that's it. Okay, instead of lassi, I'm gonna try to get a tea. If they have Assam tea, I will get that because that's the best one I've had so far. But, hello guys, how are you? I had an Assamese girl make it for me, so let's see if these guys can stack up. Okay, you have Assam tea? No Assam tea. How is vanilla tea? Is vanilla tea good? Okay.
Your taste, man, bro.
I will try vanilla tea, okay? I will try. They have no Assam tea, so I won't get to compare.
We have small, medium, and large.
I will try small. I will try small vanilla tea. Okay. Choti. Chota. Very little, please. I've already had my fill of sugar today. I've already bought a Red Bull and a Coke from you guys, so I don't need more diabetes. How are you making it? Can I film you make? Can I film you make the tea? Okay, he's got the clay pot.
This one. ये होना फिर ब्रदर ये ले लो बिस्की है ये
He's steaming it for sanitization. He's steaming the milk.
ये ले जाना कौन सा ऊपर वाला Sorry, just me.
No, go ahead. I'm in your way. You're not in mine, bro. Okay. Beautiful. Smells really good. Okay. Woo, got him. Yes, very hot. Okay, let's try it. Damn. That's way better than chai.
How is this?
Very good. I think I'll have to get another one. Dang. That's killer. I will try to send people here, though I have no audience. But Unique Chai Bar. Come check it out. 25 different kinds of tea. Maya. Cello. Kana? Try here, Kana. Okay. Here? Yampe? Real food.
Yes.
Real food. Okay? Yes, camera. You need real food, okay?
Momos.
Momos. आपके पास momos. Momos. For him. No momos. Okay, egg minute.
Yeah. Momos.
Momos here. Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's go. No. Momos. Two.
2 plates.
Two.
Situ.
Two.
Situ. And Situ also. Situ. Momo.
See two.
Situ.
Just momos.
Situ.
Momos, okay?
Yes.
Hey, Ramsey, bye. Ramsey, okay? Team. 3 momos.
ये वाला.
Okay? They're sharing. You're sharing, yes? 1.
मुझे लिख लीजिए. मुझे ये वाला चाहिए. या मुझे ये वाला चाहिए.
No, bye.
मुझे
Give her next and then him. Okay?
ये वाला. Please.
Your next.
Situ. The taste was awesome.
She too. Okay, Kitna.
Yes. 200.
Kitna momos.
Momos 2 plate. 100.
100 each.
100.
Just momos, please.
Situ.
Baya. Meri paas chota paisa. Okay?
आधा Situ लेना आधा.
No, just momos.
Half Situ 100. He
Half
wants
100. Okay? Ata?
Yes.
Okay.
चटनी ले रही हूँ. मैं दे रही हूँ मत. बस ले ली. नहीं Situ
Okay.
के पास मीठा वाला. खा के तो देखिए.
Okay. Go get out of the rain. Go stay dry. Okay?
Yes.
Okay? Firmalenge baya. Go here. Rain ne. Okay? Honey. Go. Okay. How much?
300.
Okay, 300. Sounds good.
And you also want Situ try.
No, I'm full.
Try once. The taste was awesome.
I have.
This is salty and this is sweet one.
have
This is salty and this is sweet one.
Unfortunately, I have eaten my fill.
You try sweet one as a dessert.
No, I have had dessert also.
Pahadi dessert.
I had dessert for breakfast. I had sweet lassi before dinner, and then I had vanilla chai. Now, I am buying these kids' food.
Thanks you.
Can you share? Share.
Yeah.
Share, my dear.
One plate more. Egg plate.
All right. You give me half price.
Half.
One plate. I'm feeding.
Half.
You give me half price.
Half.
Half price.
No.
Not the price.
No half.
ये हिंदुस्तान बच्चे.
300.
ये मेरे के बच्चे नहीं. ये हिंदुस्तान
मैं भी
बच्चे.
तो काम करती हूँ. I am also working ना.
I know, but come on.
दीदी half of.
Fine. Share. Okay?
शेयर ज़्यादा खा लेना.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं देगी. हाफ दे दे दीदी. दीदी ऐसे लड़ाई होगी दीदी.
3 कर लो चलो.
नहीं देगी.
Hey,
लेकिन
hey,
देगी.
fighting Nate.
ऐसे
Share.
करती है.
Share.
नहीं देगी.
Here.
नहीं देगी.
One more plate.
Okay, fine.
दे दो.
That's it. Okay? I'm done. You feed her. Okay? All right. I've done my good deed for the day. I fed the street kids. The rain is coming. I'm gonna go hide out over here. Hey, I just fed 5 kids for 500 rupees. That's less than $10. If you can do the same, please do so. No matter what your budget is, if you're here on a trip, I know you can afford it. Quick rundown. Who is this man? What did he do?
He is our former Prime Minister, and he belongs to one party, BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, actually. And he is the most famous and influential leader. Like you can say that in a century, we get one. There is one person in a century, and that is this guy. Yes,
That is
and
him.
I think my words are not going to define him anymore. But I think you know that words can't define. And if
If you want
Yeah.
to remember his name, right? There is one tunnel, Atal Tunnel, right?
Just 20 or 30 kilometers from here, there is one tunnel. Like it's a tunnel 10 kilometers long, I think. And the tunnel is named on behalf of our Prime Minister.
Who the CIA? And his name is, one more time.
Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Shri we put in the name, like with respect we call Shri.
Like honorable. Like you, honorable. Mr.
Like you say, I say like Mr. Krish.
Yes.
Like so in Hindi we say Shri.
Shri.
Shri Krish. Yeah, we can say.
SHRI.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, welcome. You're welcome.
He did a good job, no? Yes.